Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2010, question number 1. Let G equals to BE be a graph. Define sum of G equals to del of DID multiplied by D, where ID is the number of vertices of degree D in graph. If S and T are two different trees and sum of degrees of S equals to sum of degrees of T, then 4 options are given. So here this formula is mainly for sum of degree, and it is saying that if for S and T sum of degree equals to same, then what is the relation between S and T? We know sum of degree theorem, it's 2 multiplied by A. So sum of degrees equals to 2 multiplied by number of edges. And in case of tree, how many vertices are there? Minus 1 number of edges are given. Like in S and in T, suppose in S number of vertices equals to 10, then number of edges equals to 9. Here also same. If number of vertices equals to 10, number of edges equals to 9. So in normal case, we can say if number of vertices equals to n, then number of edges equals to n minus 1. Here also n minus 1. And it's given that sum of degree in S equals to sum of degrees of T. So both degrees sum is same, 2 into n minus 1, here also 2 into n minus 1. Both sum are same, and sum equals to what? 2 multiplied by number of edges. So both sum are same means both number of edges are same. Both number of edges are same means both number of vertices are same. So we can say both trees are same. It's present in option C. So answer will be S equals to T. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.